क्या हुआ? हेलो एवरीवन. Is still some. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
हाँ बोलो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या
Good
है?
morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग. Okay, so again welcome back in online mode. ऑफलाइन आना है कॉलेज में,
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Ma'am,
प्लीज ना. We are also waiting for you. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली the session start on the online mode, but as soon as we get a notification for the offline mode, we will definitely inform you before, like 8-10 दिन पहले हम inform करेंगे, so you can do the preparations and you can come back over here. We are eager to see you in the campus. Fine. So let's start with the positive spirit, no issue. So have you go through your syllabus? कौन से कंसेप्ट है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट है, सब देखे हुए आपने? हैव यू गो थ्रू द सिलेबस?
No, ma'am.
नो. कौन से सब्जेक्ट हैं? ओके, ऑल टुगेदर गो थ्रू इट. यू आर हैविंग इंट्रोडक्शन टू द ई बिजनेस, Java EE, and ITRC, Big Data, and the project. These are all the compulsory subjects for you. Fine. Introduction to e-business will be taken by the Professor Vijay Haldankar. He is expert in the managerial from the management aspects point of view. He will explain you how the e-business works. And Java EE is taken by me, Anagha. Then ITRC, that is nothing but information technology and regulatory compliances, where you will learn about the all jet security issues and उसके IT के जो rules regulations रहते हैं, that you will learn, and that is taken by Rohan Base. Again, the visiting faculty is with you. And next very interesting subject, that is a big data, and this is taken by Atul sir, Atul Kahate sir. He is experts. Probably you may be knowing him. He is one of the great personality in Pune. So you people will definitely enjoy that subject with him. And very crucial or important part is about the projects, right? For the project, it will be happen as per the dissertation style के तरफ से जैसे ही होगा. You all already worked on the dissertation part. Now in the project we are expecting you have to implement the concept, right? At the end of the semester we are expecting you will come up with some running models of your project. Coding will be there. Your evaluation is perform more on the coding parts, क्योंकि इसके पहले आपने डिसर्टेशन में पूरा उसका एनालिसिस किया था. देन एवरीथिंग इज you have already done the dissertation parts. So in the project you have to work on the coding. In the coding you have to develop a test cases, you have to execute it, right? The student, those who want to change their project topic, it is allowed, but you need to do the additional task. आपको दोनों task फिर करना पड़ेंगे. You have to work with your dissertation part plus ये coding का part करना पड़ेगा. Fine. And this project के लिए आपको जो mentor assign किए थे, the same mentor is continue with you. You have to give them the feedback and phases आपको आएंगे. For every phase you need to do the submission over there, right? And for every phase, how to evaluate each and every students, that we are providing them the guidelines, and as per the guidelines you will get your marks. It's a quite, I think, sensitive issue from your side. So be comfortable, be cool. Then उसके बाद ये जो 4 major subject हैं, right? इसके लिए फिर से we are following the same, the university is following the same procedure which we followed in the last semester. 100% evaluation and 20% evaluation. 100% evaluation means what? It's totally internal evaluation is happened, right? पूरा आपको उसकी एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम नहीं देना है. द सब्जेक्ट्स उसके अंडर जो सब्जेक्ट आते हैं वो इंट्रोडक्शन टू ई बिजनेस और जावा ई, ये दोनों सब्जेक्ट आएंगे आपके 100% अंडर, इट कम्स अंडर योर 100% इवैल्यूएशंस, राइट. दैट मीन्स इवैल्यूएशन, इंटरनल जो भी इवैल्यूएशन होगा, यू गेट you will get a mark on the basis of that. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining subjects will come under 20% evaluation. That means you have to appear for your external exam. But for these two subjects, there will not be the external exams. Only internal assessment will be valid. Fine. Now, for this जो internal evaluation है, आपको हमेशा एक query रहती है at end of the semester. You people ask me about कि how this evaluation is happen or what are the processes are there. So for that things, for 4 credit internal evaluation, 100% evaluations के लिए बोल रही हूँ मैं. For the 4 credit, you have to go under 4 assignments, 8 quiz, right, and a viva. It's compulsory. I'll repeat. For 100% evaluation project के लिए you will go and under 8 quiz. If credit is 4, if credit is 4, then you go under 8 quizzes, 4 assignments, and the viva. If, for example, introduction to e-business आपको only you are having for the 2 credit course and it is under for the 100% evaluations. For that process, you have to appear for 2 quizzes, 4 quizzes, 2 assignments, and the viva. Fine. For remaining subjects which are not under the 100% evaluations, the evaluation criteria will be, the decision of evaluation criteria will be taken by respective teachers. Fine. So remaining क्वेश्चन, रिमेनिंग कौन से सब्जेक्ट हैं आपके जो 100% इवैल्यूएशन में नहीं आते हैं? दे आर ITRC and the big data from the core courses, and remaining courses is from Android, multimedia, then introduction to the cloud computing, introduction to vulnerability assessment, right? These are all are coming under your 20% process. Machine learning, web analytics, and predictive analytics. These are all the optional subjects for you. Okay, so all these subjects will come under your 20% evaluation criteria. That means you are having external exams and the evaluations will be performed by respective teachers. Agree? So आपको बाकी के रिमेनिंग सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए बताती हूँ. यू आर हैविंग फॉर एंड्रॉइड प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए श्रीकांत सर इज टेकिंग योर सब्जेक्ट. मल्टीमीडिया इज टेकन बाय योर गौरव पंत सर. Then introduction to the cloud computing is taken by your Parag sir. Then vulnerability assessment is taken by Tejaswini ma'am. Then we have a new faculty is with us for the machine learning. Manjusha madam is with us. I think she is in the meeting. Ma'am, are you there, Manjusha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. I'm
Okay.
hearing.
Would you like to introduce
Hi.
with the students? Students, Manjusha madam is with us and she is taking the machine learning part. Ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everybody. It's very nice to meet all of you. I'm Manjusha madam and I'll be conducting your machine learning course. I have got an experience in Python and I have also experience in for teaching artificial intelligence, and I'm looking forward to having fun with you with machine learning. It is a very interesting subject and I think all of us will enjoy this subject.
Thank you.
And I have got an experience of almost 17-18 years. More than that, actually, 20.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And I will introduce the Manjusha ma'am. These students are really very good and very talented students. Huh? Isn't it,
Oh,
students?
wow.
And they are
So
really
now they will have
into.
to keep up to their recognition.
Yes, definitely
Yes,
they do.
all of you.
They are really good.
I used to
उसके
hear that.
yeah. And yes, and then for the machine learning के options के लिए you are having web analytics and predictive analytics is with you, right? Web analytics is again taken by Atul sir, and predictive analytics again we are having one industry experts, Pavan Kumar sir is there. Sir is with us. He will be taking your predictive analytics. Fine, and all this come under your 20% evaluation part. So this is a brief about the semesters, how we are proceeding it. Our semester start from today and it will be ending up to the 5th of June. Yeah, 5th June, and then after 20 days you will go for your regular exam schedules. Fine. और इसके बाद पहले मुझे एक थोड़ा सा कंप्लेंट नहीं था, बट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सम रिक्वेस्ट थी कि यू पीपल आर ऑलवेज बी बिजी विथ योर इवैल्यूएशन थ्रू आउट द सेमेस्टर, राइट? So for this, to overcome these things, we have planned a week for every month. During that week, you are supposed to give all the evaluation part, right? 1 week is with you. That is मतलब टीचर आपका जो भी डिसीजंस लेगा उसी वीक में दे डू द इवैल्यूएशंस. Now you people should be taking care कि overlapping नहीं हो. मतलब if some teacher plan the test, then you just inform to the other teachers कि for that day you are busy with this evaluations. So planning आप कहीं और करो. That is responsibility at your end. Fine. So these are difficult. मतलब overall tentative plan from the college side, right? इसके अलावा आपको कोई क्वेश्चन होंगे तो यू कैन आस्क मी. इवन आई विल सर्कुलेट द डेट्स आल्सो विथ यू कि कौन से वीक में प्लस माइनस 1-2 दिन इधर उधर हो सकता है. That is allowed because it's very difficult to मतलब conduct the exams within that specific period, but every teacher is trying to stick with that evaluation period only. Yes, you will get the syllabus from the Komal madam. Please send the syllabus to all students, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
और कुछ डिफिकल्टी क्या पूछना है, यू कैन आस्क मी. There is no options between the web analytics and predictive analytics. That is a specializations. Under that you are having a 3 subject: machine learning, web analytics and predictive analytics. There is no options. Yes, there will be more than 2 assignments for the 100%. We are supposed to conduct the 4 assignments. Per credit, 1 assignment. So for 4 credit, I need to conduct the 4 assignment. Okay. Hey, please feel free. Ask the questions, switch on your mic, ask the questions so everyone will know that questions and we can proceed for that. Okay, some क्या क्या लिखा है मैडम? हाँ बोलो. Yes.
Ma'am, when will be our final term exams?
After see 5th June is the end term. After that 20 days. It's around 2nd or 3rd week of June. We will start with that. Tentative planning है, थोड़ा बहुत प्लस माइनस हो सकता है. Okay, so one question is from division will remain the same as per the previous semester. Do you have any problem with the division? कोई problem है division के साथ?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, किसको change करना है और क्यों?
मैम मैंने 5th से शुभवी मैम.
हाँ बोलो शुभवी.
मैम मैंने 5th सेमेस्टर में अपना इलेक्टिव चेंज किया था, तो लेक्चर जो थे वो क्लैश हो रहे थे.
नहीं, वो टेकिंग केयर होगा बेटा, डोंट वरी. यदि वो रीजन होगा तो वो दैट इज ऑलरेडी टेकन केयर, डोंट वरी. If you have another problem, you send me the request. I will try to fit it out if possible. Fine.
Yes,
So overlapping नहीं होगा. And even we tried ना to आपको जो सुबह मॉर्निंग के लिए लेक्चर देके दोपहर के लिए आपको keep you free कि जो आपको इंटर्नशिप करना है, को जो भी करना है apart from the college, you can do it. But you will not get a concession in attendance part. Be careful about the attendance. Fine. Then another one query is what? there is a midterm examinations. Okay, so regarding to the, there is no specialized midterm examination is there, right? लेकिन मैं बताती हूँ, for the subject which undergo for 20% evaluation, a compulsory class test is there. Compulsory written class test is there, and that test when to plan, how, where to plan, that depends on your teacher. और वो जो वीक मिलेगा ना, उसी वीक में वो प्लान होगा. Okay, so there will be the class test. Then what another questions, which two subjects are the internal? मैंने अभी बोला था, फिर से बताती हूँ. You are having Java EE is one of the internal subject. Then another one is your enterprise e-commerce, introduction to e-business, and the Java EE is your internal subject, 100% evaluation. Fine. There is no Sunday lecture. Okay. You have a lecture Monday till Saturday, no Sunday lecture. Sunday is free for you.
Ma'am, there is a lecture scheduled.
अरे किसी एक एग्जाम, एक या दो होंगे, ज्यादा नहीं होंगे बेटा. किसके हैं? No, I don't think so. There is not like. चेक करके दिखा. I will come back again. हाँ, वो चेक करके बताती हूँ. Okay, then physical
Ma'am,
class.
it's web analytics and it's a recurring lecture.
It's on web. When है? Web analytics का है.
Yes, ma'am, and it's a recurring lecture and it's on Sunday at
Okay. एक काम करोगी, please
At
send me the
10:30.
request. I will send it to the timetable department. We will try to shift it out, right? Shifting करके देखते हैं.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Anything more? अरे अदर कॉलेजेस का शुरू हुआ है ऐसे सुना है. इज देयर एनी नोट, जस्ट यू अनुभव, आपने MIT और सबका सुना हुआ है, बट देयर इज नो द कॉलेज इज नॉट येट स्टार्टेड. SIU हैज नॉट, और अदर उनका हो गया होगा तो भी हमारी तरफ से SIU हैजंट टेकन अ डिसीजंस टू start the college, right, offline. And once the decision will be there, we will give you enough time to come back to the Pune, readjust it, and then we will start the college, right? There is no before the midterms, no promise. It depends on the university decision. See, again, whether it's an online, final exam will be online or offline, depends on that situation. If you people are coming for in the offline mode, then definitely it will be conducted into the offline mode. वो अभी decision अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, whether it will be offline or it will be the online, right? It is till on the June, ना? जैसे पता पड़ेगा यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से, I will definitely convey it to you.
Ma'am, one more thing.
बोलो.
Ma'am, even if the offline classes start, is it compulsory to come there? Like,
No.
will
See,
the online classes still continue?
it depends on the decision of SIU.
No.
Right.
What I mean to say is, even if you guys
हाँ,
commit for offline
yeah,
classes.
right. Agree. But the total decision is by SIU. They have not yet conveyed us. If it is offline, then we should call all the persons, or it will go in the hybrid mode. मतलब some people will be attending the classes in
that's
online
what
mode.
Will
हाँ,
it
वो
be
अभी तक decision नहीं आया आकाश. Decision नहीं आया SIU की तरफ से.
Okay.
Okay. अभी तक SIU का decision है, the session will be conducted in online mode only. No offline is required. होल सेशन अभी तक तो डिसीजन है होल सेशन का, अभी तक आया नहीं, बट व्हाट दे कन्वे इन बिटवीन, यदि कहीं इन बिटवीन इफ द गवर्नमेंट चेंज द रूल, गवर्नमेंट इंस्ट्रक्ट अस, देन द डिसीजंस में बी चेंज. अदरवाइज गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, सबकी तरफ से सही है कि यू हैव टू गो इन ऑनलाइन मोड ओनली. फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर रिजल्ट यू विल गेट विद इन 1 or 2 week केस में मिल जाएगा अभी.
Ma'am, one more thing. Ma'am, we aren't able to see our previous semester's results. So, ma'am, the portal actually has closed all the previous semester results.
Wait for the 2 weeks, na?
Ma'am, but I'm talking about from the sem 1. We can't see our results. Only the current.
Okay. मुझे लगा फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर का पूछ रहे हो. Fine.
नहीं. I'm talking about.
I will ask this. I don't know. I will ask to the exam department for that.
Okay.
And come back to you.
Yeah.
रिजल्ट का पूछ के बता दी. Okay. Anything more? आपका कोई डिफिकल्टी कुछ होगा तो बताओ. Anyway, if not, then we will wind up the meeting. Okay. Shall we continue with this? I want some student representative, those who are directly contact me with me. So in the last year, we are having Shubhavi and Kshitij is with me, right? Student committee. We are forming this student committee एक थोड़ा सा layer के ऊपर कि so we get communicate fast and we can do the task. So shall I continue with the same persons or do you want to add some other person also in the group? करना चाहते हो तो you say send me the mail. I will add you there. And Shubhavi, Kshitij is there? Do you have any problems? कि कोई problem नहीं है ना आपको कि we can continue on the same committee. So you convey your मतलब जो भी difficulty होगी either directly to me, no issue. Otherwise you convey it to the Shubhavi or Kshitij and they can convey it to me. And you please feel free. You can call me at any time and convey your problems. I will try to solve it at my level best.
Ma'am, one more thing.
No, ma'am. Today I will be conducting a lecture at 11:30, right?
Yes, ma'am.
From 11:30 to 12:30.
Okay.
Yeah, for these students.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I just wanted to inform them. I've already sent them a meeting link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you received the meeting link? Yeah, definitely they will receive it.
Ma'am, one more thing.
Yes.
Our team's calendar is still showing lectures from semester 5, so it's a little confusing. So I don't know.
सब टीचर को निकालने के लिए बोलती हूँ. सब टीचर को निकालने के लिए बोलती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Delete करने के लिए बोलती हूँ. Yes.
Have you received my link?
Sorry, ma'am, I've not taken your. I've not taken the lecture.
Yes, ma'am. We've
machine
received
learning
it.
के लिए जो है वो.
Those
Yes,
who are okay. Thank you.
You are not able to see the thing lectures. कौन सा भी lecture नहीं आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? Nirmit, and all you contact to Amol sir for that. Immediately contact to Amol sir. Nikhil, contact to Amol sir. Those who are not seen that link, timetable link as well as your lecture link, please contact to Amol sir. Fine.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
For us,
Ma'am,
can we leave?
Yes, बोलो.
Ma'am, can Manjusha ma'am keep the meeting name as machine learning instead of SEM 6?
Ma'am.
Meeting name? Yeah, sure. I will change it. You want me to call it as machine learning instead of semester 6? Okay.
Yes.
I'll check what I have named and I will try and change it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So shall we stop? Okay. All the best, dear student. Fine. Let's hope the semester will move smoothly. Fine. Any suggestions from your end? Please tell me. Okay, you missed some partner, Silveria. You can contact me anytime for any difficulty. Don't worry. So you may not be have you opted the machine learning option then? See your options.
Received the mail added to machine learning class.
Those who are opted machine learning part, they will get link only, right? Those who are not those who are not taken the elective as a machine learning, they will not get that link. And I hope your electives are final, right? No change expected from your side, your end. Komal madam, we have a list of student, na? Komal, yes, you have circulated with the students?
No, ma'am, not
If
yet.
not, please do it. Please do it today, so they will get a confirmations कौन सी elective में वो है. If they want to some changes, then please come back to us within a 1 day only.
Okay.
उसके बाद it's very difficult to change it.
Yes, ma'am. I will send syllabus and the student list also.
Student list, elective
Yes.
list with them.
Elective
Elective
list.
list में कौन सी elective में उनको पता होना चाहिए.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
मतलब there
Sure.
should not be confusion from
Yes.
both the side.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Shall we stop, dear student? Okay, then bye. All the best.
Yes.
Go for your next lecture. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, have a nice day.